In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Canva templates for Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a design you've created in Canva and display it cleanly on your Wix site using an embed, so it looks professional and scales well across devices. First, head to Canva and open the design or website you want to embed. This could be anything from a portfolio page to a promotional banner or a simple graphic with motion. When your design is open, go to Share, then choose More, and select Embed. Canva will generate an HTML embed code and may also offer a smart embed link. Click Copy to grab the code you'll use in Wix. Before you leave Canva, double-check the link permissions. Make sure it's set to anyone with the link can view. If it's more restrictive, Wix won't be able to display the content, and you'll end up with an empty frame. Now switch to Wix. Sign into your account and open the website editor for the site where you want this design to appear. Navigate to the page and section where you want the embed to live so you can size and position it in context. On the left sidebar in the Wix editor, click the plus Add button. From there, look for the option to add an embed element and select either Embed HTML or iframe. Both will give you a container that can display external content. A box will appear on your page. Click Enter Code and paste the Canva HTML embed code you copied earlier into the provided field. Then click Update. You should immediately see your Canva design load inside the box. If it doesn't appear, revisit the permission setting in Canva or make sure you pasted the full code without changes. With the content showing, take a moment to size and position it. Drag the handles on the embed box to adjust the width and height so the design isn't cut off and has breathing room around it. For full width sections, use Wix's stretch settings to align the embed across the page while keeping a comfortable height. If your design is tall, give the iframe enough vertical space to avoid scroll bars. If it's a banner, keep it shallower so it doesn't dominate the layout. As you adjust, think about different screen sizes. Wider layouts can handle larger embeds, while tighter mobile widths benefit from a slightly taller area to maintain readability. That's it. Thanks for watching.